Can a judge ignore the words of a law just because they think it should mean something else? Nope. If a law is clear and unambiguous, it must be applied exactly as written. But what does that mean in real life? Let's break down Louisiana Civil Code Article 9. Article 9 states, when a law is clear and unambiguous, and its application does not lead to absurd consequences, the law shall be applied as written, and no further interpretation may be made in search of the intent of the legislature. Translation: if the law's wording is plain and makes sense, courts must follow it exactly. No second-guessing and no creative interpretations. Laws are written to be followed. If a law is already clear, judges can't change or reinterpret its meaning just because they disagree with it. This rule ensures that laws are applied consistently and predictably, so no one gets different treatment based on a judge's personal opinion. For example, if a law says a contract must be signed by 2 witnesses, and a case involves a contract with only 1 witness, the court must rule that it's invalid, because the law is clear on that requirement. There is one exception, if following the law exactly would lead to an absurd outcome. For example, imagine a traffic law says, no vehicles allowed in the park. If an ambulance needed to enter the park to save someone's life, would the law be enforced literally? Probably not, because that would be an absurd result. This prevents strict rules from being applied in ways that clearly weren't intended. As a notary, your job is to ensure that legal documents follow the law as written, not as someone wishes it worked. For example, if Louisiana law says a certain type of contract must be notarized, and a client insists their unsigned agreement should still be valid, you must explain that the law is clear, no interpretation needed. Understanding this principle helps protect you from making legal mistakes that could invalidate documents later on. In summary, if a law is clear, it must be followed exactly as written. No extra interpretation, no personal opinions, just the law as it stands. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll cover Article 10. Also, check out my app, Louisiana Notary Intelligence, and grab my book, From Aspiring to Accomplished Mastering Louisiana Notarial Success, available now on Amazon. Thanks for watching.